In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two tables in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. As you can see, I've got two tables and I want to put them together. To ensure this works, we've got to make sure that text wrapping for both tables is set as none. Select your first table, press right click, table properties, click the table tab, select none, click OK, and repeat this for the second table. Once this is done, we're now ready to merge the tables together. A simple method is select table below and then press Alt, Shift and the upwards arrow key. And that will combine both tables. If I click on the dial here, as you can see, the entire table is selected and merged. This method works both ways. Select the top table, press Alt, Shift and press the downward arrow key. In cases where your tables are separated by many pages, we can use cut and paste. Select the table that you want to move, press Ctrl X to cut, select one line below your first table and press Ctrl V, and that table is now merged together. In some occasions, those methods won't work, but there is a workaround. Select your first table, then select table layout, then convert to text. Make sure you select tabs and click OK, and repeat this method for the second table. Once both tables have been converted to text, we're now going to remove this paragraph here. Selecting it and hit backspace, and now that's pulled both lines together. Now we're going to convert this text back into a table. Select it all, click Insert, click Table, convert text to table. Now, the number of columns is going to be 3. Select that. Obviously, this will change depending on your table and information. Select tabs and click OK. Now for the top layer, I'm just going to select it all and select merge. And then I'm just going to realign it like that. If one of these methods has helped you, then make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about tables, how to customize them, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.